Why do your clothes, which you swear you washed, still smell like old cheese? It's not nuclear science. It's a reaction between your sweat and a bacteria introduced to your skin that causes this bad odor. Oddly, this bacteria loves to hide in your specialized clothing. Good news though. Studio Gym explains how to solve your problem in 3, 2, 1, go. First, wash your clothes after each use. The biggest mistake is throwing them on the floor. Step 2. Rinse your clothes immediately after exercising or training. Some athletes even take them in for their showers, and these are the real pros. Thirdly, spike the wash water with a cup of vinegar and a tablespoon of baking soda. Number 4. Soak the tough stains in a bowl of water with a cup of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of peroxide, and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Let soak for 1 hour, then throw it in the washing machine. And step 5. The nemesis of active-wear laundry is fabric softener. Never invite them to the same party, and definitely not to the same load of laundry. Your workout clothes are already supple. This concludes our plan of action against odors, because training to be good while smelling bad spoils the fun a little bit. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for other interesting tips and tricks on the best training practices. Visit studiogym.com for programs, demos in 360 degrees, and workout articles.